Okay, so for my Tushy, I have a setup where I have a shower here and a toilet here. There is no place for the spa to hook up to warm water because I don't have access to that warm water. But on the other side of this wall here is the guest bathroom. So I took this drill bit and I drilled into my ceramic tile right there, into that hole around to the other side. And stand by for part two. Now, as luck would have it, I already had this big fucking hole in this bathroom because when I replaced the toilet, I got one that was too long. And so it didn't fit right with the pre-screwed holes down there. And so it was bumping into the wall. So I thought, well, I'll just take this out and I'll make space. But then I took all these fucking tiles out and then I had that. So didn't work. So I just went and got the correct toilet. Brilliant on my part. But it was a good thing because now I have access to the wall. You can see right there, that little white thin thing. That's the tube that came through. And then I used this hard aluminum straight edge rule that I've had for decades. This was my mother's. And I duct taped that tube and I pushed it way up into there, riding right along these pipes. Because otherwise it would have to come out here and then I have to drill another hole there. I wanted to avoid that if possible. But I pushed it up and my trusty plumber's assistant was on this end to receive it. So now, there we go. So now I just have to hook this up. I'm not sure exactly how with this setup, but I will figure that out shortly and start filming again. Okay, now, this thing was already pre-attached to the hose, but it's got to come off because this thing here has to attach right there. And then this thing, which was attached there previously, that goes to the sink, it has to attach to this other end, and you can't do that while it's all attached there. So I'm going to take this off and attach it to this separately. Okay, first, you gotta take this little gasket here and put it right inside there. Do that one-handed. Sure, no problem. And then you just put it in there, and the cool thing about this is you don't really need a wrench because you got this thing here that gives you plenty of leverage to get some torque on there and twist it on. Get it all the way up there finger tight, and then a bunch more. That seems pretty darn tight. This already has a little gasket on there already, so I'm gonna put that one on last, I think, just because the way the access is. Put that there. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so it could be easier if I use two hands. And I'm right-handed, and I'm doing this with my left, so maybe I should put a gasket in there. I don't know, we'll see. That's that. This one already has that little gasket on there. So she comes right there like that. And it's putting pressure on from the natural twist of the tube. I might have to set the phone. Yeah, I'm gonna set the phone down. One little snafu when I was trying to twist this on, this was in the way, so hopefully moving it out of the way. Oh, I got a little drip coming there. Is it coming out? Yeah. Okay, I got hot water coming out on the Tushy side, but I got a leak right here. So let me address that. Okay, here we go again. The washer's in it. Hear the water going through. You got water on your end? Is it coming through pretty hard? Yeah, good pressure. I got no leaks here. Happy days are here again. Time to go to the other side and hook that up. Okay, here we back are on the regular cold water side. We just disconnect this piece here from the toilet, and then we add this piece to it and then connect that up. So I'll be doing that here in a second. Okay, these things here that line up with your toilet bowls holes are quite difficult to move. You just gotta fiddle with them until you get them right. I have no other advice on those, but everything's hooked up on the bottom there. On the bottom there, no leaks. So I'm gonna attach this bad boy and put the seat back on and see how she works. Oh yeah, you gotta put these washers right there. And that adds a non-slip surface. You have a newer toilet, you probably noticed that you already have plastic or rubber things on the bottom of the attachments from the original toilet seat, just to make sure they don't slide either. So that's just the same philosophy as that. Ignore those piss stains on my toilet seat. Piss happens. I want to make sure that that little nozzle has plenty of room to move with that adjustment bar there. So for me to get it to move all the way and be free, I have to set on that very back hole. If I set any further back, what happens is when I do this and it retracts, it hits the back of the rim. So it needs to be all the way out like that in order to have free motion. We have the final product. It is firmly in place. There we go. I move this and that will go back and forth. And then this one here is temperature. This one here is pressure. I think I've already got the water turned on. It is fully turned on. I think if I flush the toilet, let's see. Oh, I don't even have to flush the toilet. There we go. It's turned on. Whoa, hey now. That's a bum wash. Nozzle wash, bum wash. I should pay more attention to that. So that was just a, yeah. Let me find something to pat that water down with. Okay, got my cameraman. So, oops. Can you zoom in there and see how, and that's like just the tiniest bit of pressure. And adjusting the pressure doesn't seem to change anything. Pretty solid stream either way. So yeah, and then this one, if you want hot water, which comes from the other room, yeah, kind of room temperature. But I think what you can do is you can do the nozzle wash, and have it go straight down. You can do it that way while you're doing your business and have the water warm up, so that by the time you're finished doing your business, you can move this from nozzle wash to bum wash, and you'll get nice warm water that way. So there we go. So here I am, ready to try it out. I'm a little bit scared. I'm not sure what to think. I hope my body is symmetrical and that my bum hole is like right in the middle, like where it's supposed to be, so that when that rush of water hits me, it's hit me in the right spot. So yeah, you know. So let me change hands and reach down here and do the old, turn that to warm. Whoa, hey, buy me a drink first there, sailor. Yeah, that's, I don't know how, whoa, hey, moving around, okay. Let me play with that little aimer thing. Oh, so you can get the whole area? Yeah, I feeling things inside I've never felt before. I might never leave the house again. Although, oh, there's the warm water. There's the warm water. Whoa, hey, there's the cold water. Okay. Yeah, this is a whole new experience. Could take some getting used to. I don't know how much water it's going to take to fully clean myself off and out. Might have to invest in some of those bamboo towels that Tushy is selling on their website, but yeah, I could start looking forward to going to the bathroom and never wanting to play a away game again or rush home to do it. So good luck installing yours.